What is going on, my friends? My name is Scott and welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. And for today's video, we are trying out the vanilla moon pie for the very first time. So this is moon pie, original since 1917. Wow, you're telling me that this was made in 1917? That's a long time. Well, I hope I don't get sick. Okay, guys, we are doing a taste test of the original moon pie. This is the vanilla flavor. You guys may have seen us do the banana flavor. To be quite honest, I was 50-50 on that. So, I'm ready to try out the vanilla. Let's go. Well, it smells interesting, but of course, from being from 1917, it's gonna have a little smell. All right. I'm told if you put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds or so, that helps with the dryness of it. It's definitely better than that banana. It's not bad. If 5 stars would be the best and 1 star would be the worst, I'm thinking about 2.8 stars out of 5. It's not bad. It's definitely better than the banana, in my personal opinion. So from being made in 1917, it tastes pretty good. By the way, I'm kidding on that. Woo! Well, my friends, this has been a moon pie review. Thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you have a great day. What other foods would you like me to try? I think 2.7, 2.8 out of 5 stars. That's probably going to be my final review on that. Now let's go wash it down with some whiskey. Woo!